On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. I literally just bottom ticked that sweep. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know if you got long, but I'm sorry. I'm long. I can't help when it happens. I have paid way too many fees for this trade, though. My God. What's going on, gang? Good to see you. Happy Thirsty Thursday. I'm long, and I just paid. I was up $80, and then they just market filled me. Let's jump into it. I don't know what happened here. I literally bottom ticked this thing, took profit here. And I was up 80, and then I just paid it says I'm up $218. I paid what the fuck? I paid $176. I'm going to make $20 off this trade. I don't know. What's going on, everybody? I think I got shrinkage this morning. Let me just be a grower and a shower today. How's it going, everybody? Thank you for being here. Golden pocket slap. I liked it. I don't even know what happened with this trade. I don't know how I got so many fees. I slid the take profit down, and I guess I like marketed out. Has anybody else done that before? Where you're like sliding your limit order out, and all of a sudden it markets you out. Maybe I'll have some fee rewards. Yeah, maybe they'll reimburse me. Yeah, you would think so. You would think so, but you know, that's how it goes, man. It's the Clarity Act's fault, right? Right, Piper. How's it going, everybody? Happy Thursday. Let's go. Did we all have a good trading day yesterday? I mean, lots of volatility yesterday. I mean, chop volatility, but we managed to take a $2,500 trade on Solana. Stopped out there, guys. Ooh-wee. Beautiful, beautiful Solana trade. It was up $3,000 at one point. Everybody told me to hold it in my Discord. And beautiful Solana trade yesterday, $2,600. Should have just closed it. Should have closed it. Made $3,000, but you know. C'est la vie. I'm gonna blame Trench Juice. He said to hold it for. He's like, please hold it for once. Retracement long, man. I shouldn't have held it, but here we are, listening to the community. It's like when people come in here and like, oh, you should buy, and it's like YouTube told me to buy, right? It's always a good time. How's it going, everybody? Happy Thursday. It's been a very volatile week. Tesla getting its ass whooped. Down pre-market, $346 Tesla. Woo-wee. I'm going to gobble me some of that up today. I'll tell you that much. Even if we dump. I'm a long-term bag holder of Tesla. And we'll see where we get to today. NASDAQ looking nasty, breaking down. SPY rotation down potentially here this morning. Sheesh. All right, Bitcoin still down. Okay, the only scalp in this whole downtrend, AlexOCrypto managed to take it. Wild times, man. This price action's something though. I'll tell you, this price action is hard for it's a hard scalping life, this price action. Solana outperforming Bitcoin a little bit right now. Looking for pullbacks potentially. But Bitcoin, man, you looking nasty. Probably going to come sniff this pink box today at this rate, looking at the way the market has been. Downtrend only. I doubt anybody's still in the short that we gave in the Discord, but it's still valid. Slow and steady, down we go. Whew. Oh, man. So taking the trades, showing the trades. It's pretty incredible how we're still able to like extract pretty good profits out of this market, because this market sucks, man. Oh, it sucks. This market sucks. Awesome. Whatever. I still make money. That's the one. You guys let me know. This thing's dying now. Golden Pocket 786. A little slap into the golden pocket. That's why I took that long. Clearly didn't want to go up. Clearly. That's why you scalp and you pay yourself. No need to get in the way of the train right now. And the train is heading south. South and fast. Can we get some... The thing is right now, it's so sporadic, right? You get these one little candles like this, boom, and we're gone, right? So, not easy right now. Tony Soprano, what's going on, man? Good to see you guys. And I can't believe how many people still show up to the live show. I guess we're doing something, right? You guys need to go and get a job. I'm kidding. Probably do. I might start throwing out, what does a carpenter make in Alberta? Carpenter jobs Alberta. What are we paying right now? Indeed. Let's go to Indeed. Framer, $38 an hour. Journeyman carpenter, $31 an hour. $50 an hour. Now we're talking. $40 an hour. Is that American or Canadian? $45 an hour. Sheesh. I don't think I could do it, guys. I'd rather go on tilt. I'd rather just go on tilt than go back and do that. What do you guys think? Tilt for the win? Little bounce here. Bottoming out here. I like this area. I do not like this structure, and I do not like how we've come down into here. I would like to see Solana hold here, but I prefer 77.32. Right? You got four. Let's do an average. Okay, so we got 40. Let's say you work 40 hours a week times 45. $1,800 a week, guys. $1,800 a week. And I was in this trade for 4 hours yesterday, and I made $2,600 US, which is about $4,000 Canadian. Is this even fair? It's not even fair. My fellow brothers, United Brothers of Joiners and sanding paper. There is a solution to your dilemma. I mean, that's brutal, man. That's brutal. What's going on, Jesse? How you doing, Mr. Hulk? Mob the Great, my man. How you doing, Army Piper? God bless you. Alexander G. Andre Notorious. Giant Pekka, how you doing, man? Stefan, how you doing? Gang. Let's go. Bracken here, dependable. How you guys doing? Fred, God bless you. Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Shri and Pandy always coming through with the time. Otter gang. Let's go, baby. Wayne, how you doing, Wayne? Good to see you, man. God bless you. Hopefully all is doing well. Andy, Lotus Style, Son of the King, Steve Hickey, my man. How you doing, buddy? Mojo Jojo. Terry. Good morning. Real Tebe. Gang. How you doing? Yeah, exhaustion in the wicks here. This thing's coming down, man. Like failing to push multiple times here. Doesn't matter if buyers are stepping up. Just we are overextended, so I'm a little bit interested in longs, but see, Solana's outperforming today. Solana's got some juice, man. Solana's got some juice. VWAP reclaim, continuation up. Oof. It's like a 1-to-1. I don't know if I like that. I prefer here. Liquidity sweep long. This is the juice on Solana right here. But it looks good here. Bull div, continuation out. Biddy holds golden pocket. Biddy's in the right place. Solana's doing its thing right now. Solana looks like it's catching bids this morning, though. It looks healthy. I don't know how to explain. That's one thing I don't know how to explain. Like when something looks, I guess it's just time in the charts, right? When something looks like it's ready to go. Solana's been ready to go. I mean, I got long right here on Solana. I bottom ticked the shit out of this thing yesterday. Where was it? It was right here. This is where I got long yesterday, guys. Literally to the tits on this guy for 3K. And I was up here and the Discord told me to hold it. Anyways, I digress. I'm not blaming the Discord. When I say it's never financial advice and do your own research, and I mean it, you know? It applies to me too. They're not clicking my buttons. Well, sometimes they push my buttons, if you know what I mean. But they're allowed to. They pay to push my buttons, right? They pay to push my buttons. So please keep pushing my buttons. I appreciate you being in the family. Marius, what's going on? Good to see you. Notorious, Jesse, good morning. Cubanadian, my man, Cool Marge, Steve Hickey, good morning. Thank you for being here. 585, Chantel, good morning. Always good to see you. Mike Myers. Jerry, 585, Mojo Jojo. How's it going, Kevin? Ikro, Nice sweep and go here. Oh, it's so tempting. It's so tempting. Order block tap, continuation up. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone. I like it here better. This is just a whole lot of garbage. Yeah, Nasdaq's doing its janky thing too, man. ES rolling over, new low. Yeah. I'm not going to long it, guys. Like to see it come into 65. 65. Pink box to pink box. AlexOCrypto style, man. Pink box. Given to you guys on Tuesday. Pink box. Potentially for Thursday. We'll see. We love nothing like two pink. Nothing. Oh, fuck. Nothing like 2 pink boxes in 1 week. Oh, it's too early for shit like this, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. We having fun, man. You gotta have fun. Thank you for being on the show. This is why we're gonna get canceled, man. Good to see ya. Bagat, G1, Nadim, Flaco, Proof, Crypto Jim, Neek. Good to see you guys. Feeling bearish today. Yeah, it looks bearish for sure. Army Piper. Good to see you, man. G1. Hey, get your mind out of the gutter, okay, guys? Alex large and in charge. I'm pretty short, man. You know what I did? A very proud moment yesterday. I taught my son how to do a wrist shot. Whoosh, top shelf. He's not even 2 yet, guys. He just turned 23 months, okay, if that's a turning, the 4th turning. Look at this dump. Okay, very good discipline. No trade here. And he put it top shelf, man. My son, 23 months, top shelf, top cheese. I just showed him yesterday how to lift the ball, right? How to shoot higher, because he's been doing slap shots, but he can't get it. He can't get it up. I was like, this is one of the most important skills you'll ever learn, son. How to get it up. All right. Dad moments with AlexOCrypto. We're on a roll today, man. It isn't even Friday. Good morning, guys. Dusty, good to see you. Francois Flack. Oh, man. After he's 2, the month age is done. Yeah. Yeah, I know. He's cusping. We haven't been saying like, oh, he's 23 months and 2 days. We haven't been saying that. We just say he's almost 2. It's pretty exhaustion, order block tap. Really? You're going to do it there? You're going to do it there? What? What a load of shite. You what? Golden pocket 786 retracement. You're going to do it there. That's the price action right now. They're going to do a Piper Platinum Pocket. Peter Pepper Piper Pecker Popper Pepper. Really? Short it. Send it to 0. Solana. Retest of VWAP. See if it gets rejected here under VWAP. That's a nice wick, though. Good wick energy. Damn you, Bitcoin. How you gonna do it there, man? That's like not even platinum pocket. That's like, yeah, it's below platinum pocket. That's filth. Come and take the low, man. It has to take the low. It doesn't have to do shit. That's one thing I learned the hard way. Order block retest continuation down. Steve Ruggles here on Solana. Very choppy here. Hopefully diamond reversal if we can get something like this, right? Boom. Or boom. This price action's absolutely grim, mate. Oh, man. Full of zingers in the morning. That's it. Good morning, Decrypto, Cena, J Van. 235 people here on the live stream. Shout out to the people watching on the Twitter world. Okay. Follow on Twitter or whatever they say. What do you say? Is it a follow on Twitter? It's not a subscribe. What is it? Is it a follow? Yeah, it is a follow, isn't it? I think it's a follow. Follow me, fellow followers. Don't be a follower. Be a leader. Close below VWAP rotation down. I want it here. 77.30. Bearish divergence. Rotation down. Look at the spoon fed. Look at that. Spoon and the magical oscillator. Take the low. Liquidity. I guess I should mark out all three of these lows just in case we get the sweep. Because you know it's not going to sweep. You know it's not going to sweep the last one. It's going to sweep like the second last one. It's going to go like beep. Right? That's how this price action has been. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Golden pocket. Magical golden pocket. Pink box to pink box. 2 in 1 week. Can we get it? Short, given an advance in the Discord. I mean, the greatest Discord in all crypto. We even added yesterday. We added another verified trader yesterday, and we added a new oscillator or the new indicator for you guys, which I'm going to go through and add all of you guys today. So make sure if you're in the Discord that you go over and put in your. All you have to do is use the Bitunix UID. Sign up with Bitunix and share your trading view name, and I will give it to you for free. Just trade under, AlexOCrypto. That's the magic of it all. Google, yeah, they did well yesterday. Tesla didn't, unfortunately. Wayne, good to see you, man. Good morning, Slippery Otter. Slippery. Ooh. Working is overrated, says Tony. Good to see you, man. Wemba's wondering where the likes are. Let me see where the likes are. It says we got 250 people in here and 60 likes.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news.
Last chance. I was actually like 49% gonna do it there. Yeah. Next time we'll do it. We'll just go into the Discord and you guys can all unsubscribe. We'll just go and make bank in the Discord. I've actually wanted to trade New York session just with the Discord because, we're always here Monday to Friday. And I feel like I miss some quality trades when I'm here talking my little ass off and not trading because my brain is here and there and here and there. Don't tempt me because it is tempting. Not that I can't bang out trades after this stream, but I like to crush in the Discord. It's much more chill in the Discord. Play some music, do some lessons in between, and take trades. That's it. Rotation down. ETH was the tell yesterday, but I said if we don't hold 1925, we're going lower, and we're not holding 1925, guys. Tesla, 345 pre-market. That is disgusting. Look at the Nas. The Nas is dying. Donald is not going to be too happy. I smell a tweet coming Friday. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. I need to know. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Does anyone do with prediction markets? Nah, it's gambling. Jay Becker, good to see you, man. Crypto Jefe. Tony Soprano. Flaco. How you guys doing? Thank you guys for saying good morning. Never say sorry and you'll never be canceled. Yeah. How you doing, Darren? Good to see you, bro. I emailed that email you sent me, Darren, for Tony, and it didn't work. I said it doesn't exist or something like that. Cena got chopped out yesterday. I'm sorry to hear that, Cena. The market's been tough. Very tough. Requires a lot of patience. A lot of things look like trades, right? And they're not, right? Like this looked like a trade. This looked like a trade. This looked like a trade, right? Looking for bottoming structure here on Solana down here. Can we get a little slap and go? SFP on Biddy. Bounce on Solana. Just take it. You can do it. Biddy needs to sweep this low. Sweep and go. Geronimo. Look out below. Where are we at here? 77.32. Oh, it's doing the scratch and sniff right now, guys. It's trying to do it. It's edging, says Jesse. Buy Bitcoin data is coming in 8 minutes. Bitcoin will hit 68K. This NASDAQ looks terrible. This is terrible. Ugh. The most dangerous trade in all of trading is the swing failure pattern. Isn't it? Because sometimes it just keeps going, right? It just keeps going. So you must have rules built around the swing failure pattern. If you don't, I suggest you do. This is nasty. Very, very nasty. Coming down right now. Considering a long here, guys. It's a very big consideration considering the Nasdaq's dying. ES is dying. Bitcoin's dying. Solana's dying. Oof. Here we go. Coming for that low. Geronimo. Boom, boom, boom. Can we pop, lock, and drop it this morning? Sweep and go? Or are we going to drop? Oof. Still dropping. Bitcoin losing support. Still dropping. No bounce. Considering a long if we bounce. No bounce, no bueno. Nasdaq rolling over. Solana rolling over. No trade here. Bitcoin still rolling over. Down we go. Damn, that's nasty. Whoo-wee. Right through it like butter. Bitcoin, no support. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Considering a long still. I need to see a reaction. Bounce Bitcoin. Solana trying to come for the lows. Bitcoin still rolling over. 2s in the chat if you're short. 2s. Skiing. 2s. This is nasty. Bitcoin trying to push back. Got to reclaim the range here. Lower for Solana. Lower for Bitcoin. ETH dying. ETH is sweeping the lows too here. Nasdaq down only. ES down only. No longs here, guys. Bitcoin dying. Solana dying. Wow. What a dump. Good morning. Dump-tastic price action market. Whoo-wee. Looking to come down here. No trade. My God, what a dump this morning. Can we bounce? That is the question. Right now, says no. Still no trades. Bitcoin, no stopping. Sweep at the low on Solana here. Doesn't look like it wants to hold. Yes. NASDAQ down, 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 down. Bitcoin down, 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 down. First sweep of that low. So first low has been taken here. Will it push back? It is the question. Considering a long. Can we push back, Biddy? Can Biddy push back here? Let's do it. Push Bitcoin. Nope, no push. Solana, no push. Solana's got to go here. NASDAQ, it's got to go here. Yes. Bitcoin, no. Nah, it doesn't look good. Next low. Solana. I'm going to turn this off. Trying to hold this low here. No good. Still down. Jeez, this thing is dying, man. This is not good. Maybe long on Sol. Biddy's got to bounce here. Biddy doesn't look like it's going to bounce. Biddy looks negative. Down. Lower. Look at that. Capitulation. $76 for Solana is next. Just saying. Bitcoin's coming for all these lows right now as we speak. No bounce on the NASDAQ. Solana can't reclaim 77. No bueno. No trade. Looking for a Bitcoin sweep and then go. Bitcoin, no legs. 1 minute Bitcoin here. Lower. 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 Damn, ETH looks bad. The humble pie is out, man. Market looked bearish this whole afternoon, though, or the whole Asia session. Just rolling right over, right? Big capitulation. Yeah, Bitcoin just pounding down here. No buyers stepping up. Looking for that sweep on Biddy. Bitcoin pushing back. And rejected. Can it bounce? Considering a long here. Retest to previous lows. Potentially on Solana. First sweep done. Second sweep done. Still need the third sweep in here. Mainly looking at pink box here. Otherwise lower. Still waiting here. Bring your brooms. Yeah, we'll need the brooms. My trend line is too high. This one here. I mean, I don't trade based off of trend lines. We're looking at the special box here. That's where we're looking. Sweep of this one. And in here. Down only. Here we go. More. Sweep it. There it is. Big sweep. Solana dumping big time. Bounce. Solana bounce. Bitcoin bounce. Considering the long here. I like that volume on Solana. Bitcoin doesn't want to bounce though. Bitcoin don't bounce, Solana not gonna bounce, man. Nasty dump. NASDAQ still rolling over. ES still rolling over. Big capitulation here. Yep, Solana's just dying. That's nasty from the top here. Holy smokes. Big dump. Oh, here we go. Pushback. I'm going to bring that break even. I'm long. Stop loss to entry. Quick little scalpy scalp here. Push. Got some more in you? Don't be a dick for a tick, Alex. If I bottom tick this, I'll laugh. GG's up 150. We'll see. It's scratch and sniff the pink box, guys. Scratch and sniff. Key level of support. Good volume coming down. We'll see if it does want to push back here. Push it, namby pamby. I wish I put more money on it now. Don't we all? Push. I like the volume on Solana there. That's why I took that. Solana slapped into that key level. V-shaped recovery. Up another 100. See if we do continue to push. Retest the previous lows here. Retest the previous lows. Continuation up here. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live, hanging out, taking the trades, showing the trades. Vicious dump this morning, everybody. Holy. I'm going to take a little bit more off there. Happy days. GG's in the chat. Up 250 bucks here. See if it can follow through. Bottom ticking that thing. Ooh-wee. Wild times, man. See if it can follow through here. Good trade. Waiting for that long. GG's. Still could very much go down here. Long liquidations, yeah. Sweeping that low. Bitcoin low. So we were looking for this low to be taken. Look at that, right? It did take the bottom low of that sweep. The sweep and go, right? Sweep and go. Geronimo, down we go. And I mean, if you kept that short open from, you got paid. You got paid, man. I think they're trapping longs now. Trapping longs, probably going to send it back down. Retest to previous lows, continuation down. So I wouldn't be married to the trade here for the long trade. I just take a little piece and run away. NASDAQ trying to bounce. ES rolling over. Tesla down pre-market. Can it continue up? That is the question. Push. Key level for Solana, sweep and go. I like the volume of the last candle coming down. Pretty simple trade. Just looking for, stop loss under the low. Just looking for a pushback back into the lows of the range. We've taken profits twice now, up $230. See if it wants to continue here. $230. Retested previous lows. Took profit again here. $230. Just chilling. Pretty simple trade. Obviously, wish I put more money on it, but money is money, guys. There's your carpenter's wage for the day. Hip hip hooray. What's going on, people on? We got 40 people here on X. We got how many people here? 380 people here on the live stream, 131 likes. Thank you guys for following on Twitter and subscribing on YouTube. We do a $1,500 giveaway on YouTube today. Sign up with the Bitunix link. I haven't even pinned it in the comments. That's how much I care. But I do care. I do appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Liking, subscribe, and all that YouTube jazz. It does help support the channel. It does help us against all the beautiful censorship in Canada. We love Canada, but we don't like the censorship. So help us defeat the censorship by liking and subscribing. Thank you very much. Bottom ticking the bottom. Good fun, man. Catching the low. Some days, Alex. Am I actually on a long? Yeah, man. I caught the bottom of Solana. We just showed it. We long the low of Solana. I've taken most of my profits into these highs, 75% out, up $225. Happy days. We'll see if it does want to continue to roll up here, or we're going to have to We're looking for the V-shaped recovery, obviously, but market looks like trash right now. So big rollover this morning. Down we go. Can we push back, or are we going to come, I would prefer to see bottoming structure into here for today, but we'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Almost 9 o'clock. I guess I should have gone for a coffee for the long. But we're here. We're waiting. Trading is waiting. And this doesn't look like it's got much legs here, so might have to enter a schlong right now. Hedge. A schlong hedge. What do you guys think? Schlong hedge? Get schlong hedged here. Bitcoin rolling back over. NASDAQ rolling back over. Solana trapping traders. Could consider a short here. Depends if Bitcoin rolls over. Bitcoin going to find support here or no? Taking that liquidity here. NASDAQ struggling real good. ES trying to find support here. Bitcoin trying to find support here. Considering a short here. Bitcoin finding support. Solana, no rollover here. Maybe a little bit higher. Yeah. Wait. Just waiting here. Bitcoin finding some support here. After sweeping that low. Liquidity taken out of that low. NASDAQ rounding here, trying to push back. ES looks good. ES is pushing here. ETH big sweep of 1900 as well. Feels like a trap. No trade right now. Still waiting here. Still long on Solana. If Bitcoin rolls here, I'll short Solana. Because I want Bitcoin in here, really. What's going on, Buck? Good to see you. Dusty, how you doing? Huddle, Daniel, how you doing, guys? JR Prince. Did you watch the lad talk about China's gold buying? Is that an Andre Juk or something like that? Moon it to Bitcoin. What's going on, Philly Skills? Good to see you, bro. How you been? Tony Soprano, JR, Ada Ace. How you guys doing? Good to see you. Mint Machine. Bitcoin trying to hold on here. NASDAQ trying to hold on here. Yeah. Not looking too hot. Bitcoin chopping here. 1 minute Bitcoin. Trying to hold and consolidate here. Solana. Solana's trying to push here, but we'll see. I'm almost out of coffee. Should I coffee long this thing or what? Bitcoin rolls here. I'm short Solana. No, don't want to roll. Nasdaq rolling. Still waiting. Considering a short. ES is pushing. Okay. Bitcoin trying to hold the lows here. I think this is trapping longs. But I've been wrong before. Order block tap, continuation down. That's what I see. 1 minute block though, so it's not that strong, but it's the dump is strong, so there's no reason for it not to roll over again. Halfway up the candle, continuation down, 12-minute candle. Yeah. No, 30-minute candle. Let's do it. Short. Short, yeah. Dump it, Solana. Pretty aggressive TP here if we roll. Take it. Don't be a douche canoe. Take it. Stop loss to entry. This looks like an etch a sketch. We schlonging, baby. Here's my stop loss for the long. TP hit. Let me trail that a little bit closer here. This is a long here. We're up 370 on this one. I put a little bit more margin on that one. And come down to this low here. Stopped out of the long. GG's 200 and what was that? $233 on the long. See if we can roll over. $379 here on the short. Looking to roll over to the support level here. Bitcoin going into the pink box. Maybe we just come and take the low here. That'd be a nice little GG trade here. 75% out here. My God, we schlonging today, baby. Don't tell my wife we're showing you guys the schlong on the live stream. 370 people here looking at my schlong. Good thing I closed half of it out, eh? Their long part is gone. It's just we're in a shh now, okay? Shh, don't tell my wife that's what we're in. Trying to bounce here. Roll over, and they all rolled over. What are you doing that for, Bitcoin? What are you doing that for, Bitcoin? Yeah, we're going to get stopped out here. Hard day, man. Hard day. Another 3. There we go. Stopped out. Happy days. Easy scalp. 2 trades. 2 trades, guys. Here we are. Solana 230, 406, up 630 for the day. Happy days. GG's. On to the next one. Thank you guys for being here on the live and hanging out. I think it's time for a coffee long. I don't know about you guys. You want coffee long or what? Watch this pink box, I tell you. That's all I got to say is watch the pink box. Easy peasy. I like volume though. The volume's good. Easy setup though. Easy setup. Retest the previous highs, continuation down on Solana. Key level of support and resistance, right? So if it doesn't get above here, it's gonna fail, right? Trend is down. So you see the weakness here on Bitcoin, you take it on Solana, you make a little bit more money. Happy days. Pretty simple trade. We are getting bottoming structure here on Soy Boy Lana. Schlonging. Hopefully this coffee long plays for you guys. I'm pretty happy with those 2 trades right now. I'm gonna plug in my headphone here and make sure you pay yourselves. Thank you guys for being on the live.
Here's a little bit I wrote. You might want to trade it note for note. Don't worry, take profit. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit. Don't worry, take a visit. Now you wait for that VWAP slap to hit. No namby-pamby out here chasing the bid. You hold your line. You hold your line. You hold your line. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry.
Take profit.
Now don't you be a douche, canoe and cry. When you're on trip, you
Did it work? I mean, it's still flat. All right. Still flat. Big rollover. Looks like lower. Looks like lower. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 310 people. 160 likes. 2 trades. Up 600. See what else we got here. Looking for a sweep and go. Where we stop, only Army Piper knows. Bitcoin dumping, NASDAQ dumping, ES rolling over. Everything looking quite red today. Big capitulation day. Not looking good. Bitcoin coming down to our key level at 65,000. Will we get a bounce, or is this thing headed to zero? Thank you guys for being on the live and hanging out. Hopefully you guys are all having a wonderful day. Dave Digital DJ, make a playlist and leave it running with the visualizer on full screen. Oh, you guys all. I got the playlist on YouTube. I got to add the new ones to that. You guys just want me all want me to work 24 hours a day, which is not going to happen. Thank you guys for being here. The only requirement is a good morning, so thank you. And thank you for hanging out here and taking trades, showing the trades. And don't forget to, you need a coffee playlist. Yeah. Well, I got a playlist. I just don't play the playlist because people complained about the music. Now you guys all want the music, so I don't know what you guys want. Coffee long playlist. Let me just say, I guess you guys all want the coffee long playlist. It seems like it. This market sucks. Whatever, I still make money. That's a good answer. Coffee long. Play music playlist. No music. One song. There you go. You got some options. You let me know. Let the people decide, right? Let the people decide. Should have stayed in that Solana short. Got stopped out right here. But you know what? We got paid, so it's all good, man. It's all good. Coming down, dumping. Solana coming into the imbalance. Same with Bitcoin. Trying to hold on level to level. Can it hold, or are we going to go down, down, down? Big sell-off coming in for the market this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. Bitcoin rolling over. Big rollover from where we were at when we started the stream. Down, down, and down. So if this and that, and it's looking like that, down we go. So big rollover. We'll see where we get to today. Taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. Up 600 today. Hip hip hooray. We'll see where we get to. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. We do $1,500 giveaway today. If you do want to participate in that giveaway, all you got to do is sign up with the link and pinned in the comments and trade on Bitunix. That's it. Great exchange. I use it. You can use it. VIP3, all the goodies for you guys. And hopefully that helps you guys out. We're here live every morning, 8 till 10:15, taking the trades. Navigating these charts. Not easy lately. It's been very choppy. So if you have survived, you know, give yourself a good old pat on the back kind of deal. And thank you for being here and hanging out. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. We'll see where we get to today. Looking for a potential low to come in. Gave a little bit of a warning sign to the Discord though. Like the 4 hour. The 4 hours looking for a trigger wave. All right, that's what we're looking for. It's a trigger wave on the 4 hour. Right now, it's just rolling over. Everything on the higher term time frame suggested this was a top. Hence why we took this short. Okay. From here, given in advance in the Discord. So if you're still in it, GG's. Of course, they sweep it at 2 a.m. That's just how it rolls. But we're prepared, right? That's it. That's all we can be. Little stiletto pattern here, looking for a sweep of the low into our pink box. See if it holds. Here's an alert. I'm going to move the alert down here so it doesn't break your earballs. Earballs? Your eardrums? Your earballs. I just said earballs. I don't know what I was thinking there. Coming down. NASDAQ still bleeding out, guys. This is nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. ES bleeding out. SPY gap down. Expectations. Coming back for this gap down below here, potentially. Eesh. Tesla, pre-market, 344. Sweep of the low here on Biddy. Oof. Sweep of the low and bounce. Can it push back? Sweep of the low, push back. Oof. If it wants to go, I mean, this would be nice. Solana outperforming Bitcoin today. Push Bitcoin. Can it go? Can it go? Or down below do we go? Push and go? Come on. Considering a long here. NASDAQ bounce. Into market open. We got 9 minutes here. Looking good. Can it get through here? Resistance. I like this candle pattern right now. If this pushes, we can get long on Solana. Tweezer bottom on Solana. Pushback. So, something like that. It'd be cheap here. We could be really cheap. Bitcoin's got to go here. NASDAQ still flat. ES still flat and down. I don't mind it. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Bitcoin push here. Minute 28. I like the sweep here. Let's do it. I'm long, though. I'm long. See if we can push back into here. Halfway up the candle. It's got to go. Eee. Biddy, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me, Biddy. We can do it. Up to these highs. You gonna go or no? Push. Push. Don't you dare stall out there. Thank you. Stop the entry. Motherfucking wizard, Harry. Harry Otter. Harry Otter. You mother wizard, Harry. Harry Otter. Have you ever heard of Harry Otter? Harry Otter, he's a fine chap. Harry Otter, up another $330. Man, this micro penis scalping is getting out of hand. I think I've overstayed my welcome a little bit right now. Tweezer bottom. Bitcoin trying to push out. On to the next one. Every auto. I mean, that's the thing too. Like, these are $300 profits, but I mean, if it runs, guys, this is $4,000 trade, right? Every what were the conditions? A sweep of the low on Bitcoin. Whee! A beautiful hammer candle on Bitcoin. Look, this candle looked decent. Tweezer bottom on Solana. Looking for follow through into the retest of first take profit as a scalper, in my opinion, is to retest the lows, right? Where's the low? The low is here. There's your retest. Okay. Very simple. That's your low of that range, right? And then we drop below that range. And Harry Otter's your brother. Stiletto pattern on Bitcoin, something I trade. If you don't know the stiletto pattern, go watch Crypto Face. I think he's the one who sweep, consolidation, continuation, bottoming structure. Okay. Still looking for pink box, but that looked decent. Now we're coming into market open, 4 minutes, no trades. Quick little scalperelli. Happy days. Taking the trades, showing the trades, same different day. 300, 400, 200. You math it, guys. Almost $1,000 today. $900. Slow and steady, Ari. GG's in the chat. Good morning, Milo or Mello. Good to see you, Marine Mike. How you doing? There's that pink box tap, man. 618. The 618 is it gonna do it? Guarantee you, this is the one we should have taken right into market open too. Bullish divergence, continuation trade. God bless you, Wemba. This is the one we should have taken probably right here. This looks juicy. I didn't take it though. And now my entry is too poor because I'm too busy being happy. Do you have videos on this specifically? You just made almost $1,000 on the tiniest scalps. Yeah. I mean, in the Discord, I have tutorials and everything, but it's all part of the strategy. It's just depending on your setup, right? I mean, don't be a dick for a tick. Take your profits and run. Understand where your initial TP is. Leave a runner. Don't be greedy. Stop loss to entry. Base hits, right? Yeah. I mean, it's all taught. I teach it all day, every day, but I'm not going to give you like my strategies on YouTube when people pay for my strategies in the Discord. It's not fair to them, but You see me execute live every day. My strategies, so and I do explain them on here. There's a bigger picture. There's always a bigger picture that I can't explain to you because it's macro, understanding the macro, understanding the big analysis, where we're looking to go, why we're looking here, the setup now that we've tapped the pink box. So we have tapped the pink box. What is now available to us that we're in here? Where are we at? It's 30 seconds till market open, guys. And I wouldn't touch this with, Army Pipers and someone else pushing right now. So we wait. We're looking for a TP1 runner, right? The setup was on Bitcoin. We took it on Solana. Solana's outperforming Bitcoin today. Therefore, Solana has a little bit more juice in the tank, in my opinion. So if Solana looks better, I'll take Solana. Here we go, baby. Let's go. S&P gap down all the way down to 0. Big gap. Energy. Holy smokes, Batman. That is a nice gap to come back and fill today. Can we bounce, or are we going to go to 0? NASDAQ sweeping the lows. Continuation down. Bitcoin bouncing. Stiletto pattern. Trying to go here. Looking good. Looking really good, man. Woof. Trapping longs. Trapping shorts. Big rollover this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 3 trades today. Almost $1,000. Happy days. Google buy level screaming. Tesla down, lower, screaming. Buy levels on Tesla coming down. Again. Okay. I hear you. I hear you, Tesla. And Biddy looking ugly this morning. Big old capitulation here. Down we go. Where we stop, only Army Piper knows. Rolling over here. No trade yet. Still waiting. I think what it looks to me right now is that they're trapping longs. Okay? That's what it looks like. It looks like we're going to have another boom, violent sweep down, and then a pop back up. But right now, there's no trade, in my opinion. You do what you want to do. Bitcoin trying to find lows here. Not looking so bueno. Not so bueno. Just waiting right now. Bitcoin trying to push back. Still no trade. Solana trying to push back as well. Yeah. Looks like a trap. Feels like a trap. Not sure. When you're not sure, you don't take it. We got lots of the oscillators firing off right now. This is typically where you would long. Just saying. This is typically where you would long. But it's the way we've come into this area that stops me from trying to press the buy button. Right? So I wait. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. Live every morning. 450 people here on the live stream. Thank you guys for smashing those like buttons. We're almost at 200 likes here. We do have a video coming out on a tutorial today about using Bitunix, the exchange, and how I enter trades and manage my risk, risking 1% per trade. An easy way to do it, a very efficient way of doing it, so you don't have to do like a calculation every time to risk 1%. I'll show you how to do that today on that video, so you guys should go over there and watch that video. I think it comes out at 12 today, so that'll be ready. So make sure you guys are subscribed and hanging out here. There it is, man. Otter Gang Print. Pushing up here. Nice sweep into the 618. Continuation up here. NASDAQ pushing back. SPY climbing now. Trying to get out of these lows, man. Big old dump this morning. Can we bounce? Or are we going to continue down? No trades right now. Still waiting. I probably will wait till orb just to let it bake a little bit. Dixie's pumping. Okay. De-dollarization trade. Good morning, Florida. Good morning, Wemby. Good morning, Dave. Good to see you guys. The only requirement here is to say good morning, too. So thank you guys for saying good morning. Nice pushback here, coming up for the highs on Solana into resistance. NASDAQ trying to find lows here. Bids coming in. SPY still getting a bid. Pushing back here. Looking good. Nice pushback for SPY. Trying to push back here for Biddy. Support and resistance flip. Will it continue? Into resistance for our beautiful soy boy Lana. Solana defending the support and resistance level here, trying to push back. Yeah, not a big fan. We'll see. We shall see. Trying to push. Bitcoin trying to push. I love the golden pocket here on Biddy. I would prefer like 3 drives now. I'd prefer like sweep, dump, hold, go. But that's just me. Nice push out here for Biddy. Bullish divergence, continuation up. Trying to go. Can we push back? Coming back for this gap. Big fair value gap in here. Trapping longs. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. I love seeing you guys when you know that. Little pink box tap this morning. Good job, everybody. Yeah, my baby Tesla down 37. I mean, I bought some today, so I had bids in. Happy days. We'll see. I'm not too worried. It's a good buying price, in my opinion. Cooling off a little bit here. NASDAQ continues to climb. Resistance for Solana. Bitcoin trying to flip support here. Coming back down. NASDAQ continues to climb. Can we get pushback here? Can we get pushback? Or are we going to continue down here? Bitcoin looking to hold here. Solana looking to flip support here into resistance, trying to push possible retest of previous highs, continuation up here. Bitcoin going to follow through. NASDAQ pushing, very nice. Aggressive move for NASDAQ, continuation up here, considering a long. Retest of previous highs on Solana. See if we can follow through here, up into the lows. Considering a long. If we can push up into here, fair value gap. Bitcoin's got to push here. Bitcoin dumping. Solana dumping, coming back in, retesting these highs. Potential long here. Can we hold? NASDAQ's continuing to climb. SPY continuing to climb. Potential long here. Pushback. Solana, it's got to go here. Bitcoin's got to go too. Still looking weak. Still looks weak. Overextended. Solana overextended. No push. NASDAQ cooling off. Pullback. Bitcoin down. Failing to push. Looking weak. Like I said, would like to see a little bit more action in this pink box. We'll see if we get it. Sweep down for Bitcoin. Sweep down for Bitcoin. NASDAQ. Climbing again. Considering a long now. Something like this. Still waiting here. Bitcoin's got to bounce. Bitcoin no bounce yet. Trying to hold. Bullish divergence. Considering a long. Sweep and go. I need sweep and go on Bitcoin. NASDAQ. Consolidation. SPY. Consolidation. Solana trying to hold here. Halfway down the candle. Continuation up. Bitcoin. Can it hold? Bitcoin holding. Long on Solana potentially. Let's do it. We're long. Long on Solana. Push Bitcoin. See if we can take this for a little bit more here. Open it up a bit. Come on, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's got to go here. Bitcoin goes here, Solana goes. Well, Bitcoin's showing a bit of weakness here. Might go break even. I'm going to go to the low here. Push. Bitcoin's still struggling a bit here. Gonna bring that break even here. Push. Still struggling a bit. I might need to bring this back. Let's bring it back. Come on, Biddy, push. I'm watching Bitcoin on my other screen, just so you know. Good candle. Got to get through that resistance right here for Solana. Big resistance for Solana. Got to go here. Push. Don't be a dick for a tick, right, Dave? I'm going to go break even here. Let it run. Up 960. Stop loss to entry. Good trade. Retest to previous highs. Halfway down the candle. Continuation trade. GG's in the chat, baby. Let's go. Good trade. Let's go, baby. Salute. Love that. Let it run, baby. Let it run. Can we get through this resistance, right? We knew the resistance is at the top of these candles. If we get through this resistance and we recover, I mean, I'm coming back for this guy. See if it wants to run here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 4 trades today. Up like $1,800. Great job. Great job. See if this can continue. Guess we're getting some lobster in that ramen tonight. How do you wake up and stream at 6 a.m. and not have bags under your eyes? Well, my son goes to bed at 7 o'clock at night, and my wife and I go to bed around 9:30. So I'm pretty quick to bed, man. It's a bit like a birdie on the first hole. Yeah, man. Gotta love a birdie on that first hole. Push. NASDAQ climbing, baby. NASDAQ confluence this morning. SPY confluence this morning. Pushing up. All right. Multiple things pointing that we were bouncing. Bitcoin bull divs. Trying to push out here. We got spoons. We got otters. We got whatever down here. Solana's struggling at this resistance right now. Good take profit. We'll see if we do push through it. Still struggling here. Trying to get going. Gotta go. I like it all the way up here. I mean, you can all fantasize about another $3,000 if it does rip and V-shape recovers, right? It's always good to fantasize. This is called the fantasy button, okay? Put a 1 in the chat if you love your fantasy button. Oh my God, if I just held this trade and not taken any profits, I'd make $5,000. Oh my God. The fantasy button. It's fucking so true. If I do it, you do it. So coming back here might get stopped out. Resistance working, showing its true colors. Coming back down. Pink box. The fantasy button. Put a 1 in the chat for the fantasy button. Let's see it. I know you guys all there. Oh, man. It's so true. Love that fantasy button. Pretty close to stop out here, guys. That resistance being pesky for Solana here. Retest of previous lows, continuation down. Failing to push. NASDAQ, retracement. Retest, continuation up. SPY, struggling. About to get stopped out on Solana here. No follow through that resistance, right? Into testing these highs here. Stopped out. GG's. Bitcoin coming down for that pink box again. Like I said, we could see a lot going on in here. And then we can get going. Good roll over here on Bitcoin. Dump it. NASDAQ rolling over. Big rollover on NASDAQ here. SPY dumping. Caution here, guys. No trade. Ew. Biddy trying to bounce. No trade here. I ain't trying to overtrade today, so I'm pretty much cooked for today. We'll see what we can find in the Discord. But NASDAQ nasty, man. This is pretty gross here. Watch out. Watch out. Trapping longs and then dumping on their heads, man. I think we're going to end the summer sale this week. We're definitely ending the summer sale this week. How many spots are left? We got 30. Oh my God, we only got. I'll add. There's only one left. I'll add 10 more spots. $20 off. Dump it. I think Vegas. I just sent you your code, Vegas. I owe Vegas a code. SFP of the low, number 4. How many are we going to do, guys? No trade here, guys. Still waiting. Still waiting. No trade. Dusty be eating that. What is that, Dusty? You be eating avocados, eggs, and a turd. Looks like a yummy turd, though. Dusty be eating some yummy turds this morning, guys. Let's go. GG's on the yummy turds. Oh, man. Oh, great. Donald Trump is going to attack the Houthis in Yemen if they attack Saudi Arabia ships again. Oh, that's good news. Yoo-hoo, the market loves this stuff. Clearly. Marine Mike always keeping us updated in the Discord. God bless you. Thank you. Yeah. Good fun, man. Straight up dookie burrito. Looks like tamales. It's a dookie burrito. I'm done, man. Brewberry, how you doing, man? God bless you. Your wife has been in my prayers, man. Let's see some beautiful, beautiful karate dojos in the chat from my man Brewberry, one of our head traders in the AlexOCrypto Discord. Absolute legend. And guess what? I'm unapologetically saying, guess what? You're worth it. I love you. And thank you guys for being here. Master Brew. Laying low. Good, man. That's it. Family first, man. At least they look the same. Tony, that is a real Otter Gang comment. That's like an OG comment back in the day. Your wife's in our thoughts and prayers, Brew. We love you, man. You know that. He's so good that he can blind you with the charts and you still go and watch his show. Oh, man. Guys, too many trades for me this morning. 4 trades. Doing it, man. Trying to find support here on Bitcoin. NASDAQ continuing to roll over. SPY rolling over. Market looks bad. Reclaim of orb here on Bitcoin. Potential. SFP, reclaim of the range. Trying to push back. Bull divs, continuation, back up, trying to push. No trade for me. Biddy reclaiming orb. Yeah, that's a good reclaim. There it goes. Boom. That's a good candle. That's a good candle. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I mean, that's a beautiful pink box bullish divergence. Tweezer bottom, continuation out, trying to get going here. Solana's still struggling at this resistance level. No trades. Quite choppy. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out. Some real quick scalps today, guys. At one point we were schlonging. It's been 4 trades on the live streams. Crazy for me. Normally it's one and done, but it looked good, man. I haven't hesitated today, which is good. Don't want to get over my skis now, though. That's the thing. I like the bull div in here, failing to make higher. I'm looking for this, really. I'm looking for this guy. I need to see this kind of mitigation here. Trying to push back here on the NASDAQ here. Buyers stepping up. SPY, same deal here. Still, it's at the bottom of that big triangle right now, so don't look too hot, man. Big rollover this morning. Slap and go. Down we go. I think bears are in control right now. How we react in here is going to be very critical, because if we go down here, guys, I mean, this is all liquidity here. Don't be a rocket scientist to see all this liquidity here. All right. Target being golden pocket 60,400. I think we've talked about that extensively on this channel, right? Where we're looking for that full retracement. 61,300. Okay. It can happen, stairs up, elevator down, right? Nice little, right? Boo, baby. Everybody bullish at the major resistance, equal highs, retest of previous lows on the macro, right? You are into major resistance, so the best thing is that we gave the short at the highs too. That's always the best part, right? The Discord knew. We can always say that if we did give the setup and we did take it, right? And the Discord did know about this trade setup given in advance, which is nice. And this thing can turn into this thing, which is always cool too. I closed it yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? I closed it here at 66, right? I'm a scalper, guys. I ain't your big dick swing trader. That's not me. Know what you are. I think defining what kind of trader you are is imperative to your success in trading. If you don't kind of dial it in on what you want to do, you're going to end up going everywhere. There's a plethora of strategies and setups and ideas, right? You got to be, I think, focus on what you want to trade around your lifestyle, right? For me, I wanted to come to the charts for 4 hours every morning, execute, and have the rest of the day. That's always been my plan since day one, right? I'm typically done at 11 o'clock. No more trades. Unless there's like a very critical setup on Asia or something like that. But besides that, I'm in and out like a good Boy Scout. But I focused on doing that for like 4 years straight. Focus, focus, focus. Can't wait to get back. Monday I'll be hitting it hard. Let's go, Crank. What's going on, bro? We're up 2 racks on the live stream today, bro. Good days. Happy days. We'll see where we go. Thank you for everyone being here and hanging out. Mr. Fisherman fan. Are you catching all the fish and taking trades or what? NASDAQ looks terrible. Terrible, terrible. There's just no structure here, right? There's no, this is a downtrend. You don't have to. We've taken some longs and some shorts in here, but you know, if you're intraday trading, you, as soon as you break this low, you're looking for shorts, right? You should be looking for a retest, continuation down. Now we do have a local medium time frame golden pocket here. So if we get reversal structure, you should be looking for long here. If this, then that. If this, then that, right? Wayne Rossi. Guys, GG's to Wayne in the Discord. He took the pink box short and held it all the way to the pink box. Wayne Rossi, I gotta shut you out, man. I gotta shut you out. He just sent me this, guys. Wayne, 220%. Wayne took pink box to pink box in the Discord, guys. Wayne, when you get 2 pink boxes in a week, you're supposed to brag about it, man. Pink box to pink box, baby. Wayne Rossi in the Discord. God bless you, man. He said, thanks, Alex. Took its time, but patience paid. Best trade of the month. Let's go. Wayne Rossi with the win, man. Fuck yeah. This makes my day. I don't care about my 2 racks today. That is fucking awesome, man. That's why we do it. That's why we do it. Great work, man. GG's to Wayne. GG's, my man. Fuck yeah. Awesome. That's some patience, man. I ain't got that. That's a Taco Dookie trade, man. That's sick. Man. Leave some for the rest of us, Wayne. Jeez. Beautiful. Let's go. It's nice to see. Don't get it twisted. Wayne. Oh, how much money was it? He's probably being humble, kunk ass, because Wayne does trade size. Wayne does trade size, okay? So he's probably being humble. If he made, this is Wayne's other trade in the Discord here. If pink box is a thing of beauty, he says here. This is a old short, $6,000 on 115%, and he doubled that. So he's probably being humble right now. Okay, Wayne does trade size. Don't get it twisted. Wayne's probably being humble. All right, let's do the giveaway. All right, we got some tunes here.
Yeah. Listen up. Out of gang. Step into the clinic. Don't be a dick for a chick. If you can do it once, you can do it again.
Sorry, wrong one.
Yeah. Listen up, out of gang, step into the clinic. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. You staring at the chart, paralyzed by the
Bell.
greed. Holding on the runner that is
500.
guaranteed to bleed. You won't take the profit cause your confidence is weak. Thinking this is the only green candle of the week.
I can turn it down for you if you want.
Secure the bag, homie, step up like a man. If your strategy is tight, you find another play. Don't round trip the bag and give your wealth away. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again.
Can I get one more like, guys? We're at 199.
Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it
Congratulations.
take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. We hitting base hits, we don't swing for the fence. A pocket full of profit is the absolute best defense. Wait for the VWAP, slap to hit the flow. Take your money, run away, and then we do it some more. Stop, top blasting. Homie acting like a clown when the pink.
Someone always complains. Bell won twice?
Wanna see you break, so take the easy money.
Congratulations. Damn.
Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again.
Congratulations, Bell. Al.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Congratulations, guys. Wild live stream. Looking for bottoming structure here. No trades now. 4 trades on the live. Up 2 racks. Happy days. Happy Thursday, guys. Big old dump. Donald dump. War dump. Uncertainty dump. You know what? We still making money. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto